In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Microsoft Store is not opening. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that you are using or you are in the current correct date and time. So in order to check that, you have to go to the bottom right corner and you will find your time and date. Simply make a right click and then select adjust date and time. Now you have here for the set time automatically, and you also have here set the date and time manually. So if you are in the wrong date and time, then you have to click on the set the date and time manually, click on the change button, and then you have to change that from here. Now once you have changed this to the correct date and time, then you just need to simply enable set time automatically and then set time zone automatically. Okay, and after that you have to make sure or you have to open the Microsoft Store if this is working fine this time. The second method is we need to reset the or delete the Microsoft Store cache. So in order to do that, you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type WS reset. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache, and then hit the or click this one under the best match. So this will bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you, and this will be working fine this time, as you can see on the screen. Okay, then for the next method, we can also go ahead in the Windows search bar and we need to type PowerShell. So we are going to run a command in here. Then you have to click on run as administrator on the right pane. And then I will be pasting a command in here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Hit enter. And then you just need to wait for this to be done, and then once done, you just need to simply restart your Windows. Okay, then for the final method is we need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date. So for that, you have to click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to check for all the updates available on your Windows, and then update your Windows to the latest version or the latest version of your operating system. So that's it. Now once you're updated, you just need to simply restart your Windows and then check your Microsoft Store. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.